What is the importance of multilingualism? In English, learning another language can greatly enhance our ability to communicate with other people from different cultures, different countries, and different backgrounds. This is very useful if you are going to travel or work with people from other countries in abroad or in another place here in the Philippines that has another language. And it also helps break down the language barriers and promotes understanding between different cultures. In Tagalog, importante ang pagiging multilingual para kaya mong makipag-usap at makipagsabayan kung sakali man na ikaw ay pupunta sa ibang lugar o sa ibang bansa na may ibang lingwahe. In Bisaya, importante jud nga naa kay nahibaw-an ng laing lingwahe para kung puhon kung gusto ka moadtog laing lugar o laing nasod, kabalo ka sa ilang lingwahe ug dili ka maglisod og pakigstorya kanila.